Pinipili kita makasama sa pagtanda. Araw-araw walang iba, sa piling mo payapa na. Pinipili kita, malagas man ang huling hibla. At kung ang alaala'y mabubura, panata kong hanapin ka. Pinipili kita na walang pangangamba, aking ipadarama.
Hi, babe. We finally made it. Glory to God and congratulations to us. I truly believe that God made me claim 2024 to be my year. It's not just because it's the number of my greatest of all time, Kobe Bryant, but because God has answered both my big and small prayers in ways I never imagined.
Hi, babes. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite.
Sige, ako magtatagay. Ating kapatid to, pantay-pantay to.
Ikot pa ganun.
Oo, nawaw kayo dyan ah. Oo, yan na. Okay na. Okay na pa. Oo, nawaw ah.
Ngingiti ba o iyak?
So lahat 8. June 8 siya nag-propose, namanhigan siya. Namanhigan siya September 8, tapos ngayon December 8. Lahat 8.
Sa ganang gan.
Masahe.
Ay, masahe na.
Masahe.
Sarap. After, papamasahe ako.
Makeup ko.
Ang sabi po sa contract namin, kapag umiyak may dagdag bayad.
Tatado!
Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda. Ayokong tumanda kung hindi ka kasama. Ayokong tumanda kung hindi ka kasama.
Who would have thought that yung dating kinakainisan ko sa law school would become the love of my life? Who would have thought that yung dating visit lang sa buhay ko would become one of the greatest blessings in my life?
sa'yo. Handang
Today,
iwanan ang
I say I do, but to me,
para sa'yo.
that means I will and I commit. I will be a good provider to our family. I will be a role model to our children. I will always make you laugh kahit na alam ko naman naiinis ka lagi sa akin.
Hanggang dilim ay lumiwanag, sa iyong bawat galaw ako'y sumasabay. Ngunit hanggang kailan kita
Wow. Hindi ko naman nakikita kasi malabo yung mata ko. Ay, Miguel! Oh, hindi ko nakikita. Talaga? Oh, uy, iyak wala.
Ganda mo. Grabe.
Iyak ako.
Ganda mo. Kumiyak. Sabihan ko lang maganda. Kumiyak ka.
Babe, thank you. Thank you for giving me a love that understands, uplifts, inspires, and supports me in all that I do. Thank you for your love that is really patient and kind. I will always cherish that love and all that you do for me.
Kailangan kita. Hanggang dilim ay lumiwanag, sa iyong bawat galaw ako'y sumasabay. Ngunit hanggang kailan kita
In my moments of restlessness, you are my peace. Your presence in my life has brought me a joy and comfort that I didn't know I needed. God is so good that He blessed me with you, and I promise to love you, cherish, and honor you.
I commit to take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I commit to always be there for you. I commit and dedicate myself to you and our family, happiness, success, and peace. I will love you unconditionally forever.